My name is Mohamed Attas. I'm the head of marketing for a local bank in the UAE. Back in April, I was suffering from numbness in my left arm and tingling. I visited a few doctors at the Mediclinic Welcare, and I met my neurologist who suspected the issue is from my neck. So he referred me to Dr. Khaled Aneiba, who is an orthopedic surgeon at the same hospital. Dr. Khaled Aneiba requested for me to do an MRI and an X-ray, which I did. The results came out. I did have a degenerative disc in my neck and a severe nerve compression around the spinal cord. The only action was to do the artificial disc replacement surgery, which I did. And I want to thank Dr. Khaled for this because that was the only way to fix my issue. After 6 weeks into the operation, I want to say I took my life is back to normal now. Dr. Khaled was quite thoughtful, skillful, and he was very knowledgeable in this procedure. And at the same time, I want to thank the Mediclinic Welcare staff, who again were very compassionate, caring, and the quality of care was very good. Thank you.